Okay, if your Amazon KDP book is not selling, chances are you have a book cover issue. Remember, your book cover is a kind of free advertisement, right? The more clicks you get, the more chances you have to make sales on your books passively. Really important, okay? So Amazon is going to, for free, show your book against other books within that category and or niche. And if your book gets more clicks, has a higher CTR, click-through rate, for the impressions it gets, Amazon's going to reward you with better rankings. But that key thing, the first barrier to entry here is your book cover. Now, I can go on and explain how to create a nice book cover, but what's even better than that is I can give you done-for-you book cover templates. You just go in, edit the book covers for your specific type of book, and you can use them any way you want, okay? So I have 3 book covers right here. The first one at the top, as you can see, has a children's book theme to it, okay? You can adjust it any way you want. I'm going to show you how to change the background without tech or design skills. I'm going to show you how to change the font without tech or design skills. And I'm going to show you how to get different elements like foreground characters and backgrounds for free for commercial use. And yes, the fonts here with the effects and everything are available for commercial use for free, okay? The second one I have here, well, it's a coloring book, okay? Now, as you can see, not only is it a coloring book for the coloring book market or niche, but as you can see, the background is dark and the foreground is not the foreground per se, but the font and actually the foreground character are lighter in color, okay? So you can use this for all types of niches. Doesn't have to be coloring book, okay? And the final one I have here is in the holiday niche, okay? Of course, doesn't have to be Christmas. You can make one for Hanukkah, for Valentine's Day, for Kwanzaa, whatever it may be, whatever niche that you're in. Of course, you also want to do your niche research. You can change this up, change up the background, change up the foreground to your liking. This is how you get clicks through your listing, and this is how you make ultimately sales. Really important to do. Now, if you want to access all of these templates for free, and also I'm gonna have some videos showing you how to use these without any design skills, without any tech skills, and how to actually apply them and start earning with them by using them as your book cover, then make sure to click the link below and sign up. Sign up and you'll get immediate free access to all of these templates. Make sure you use them. They work, they're powerful, and they're easy to do. Very easy to set up. Okay, see you inside. Be good.